Hello, Vice President Pence. My name is Christy Chancellor. I am the sole proprietor of Christie's ProTech in Lawton, Oklahoma. We are an aftermarket automotive sales, repair, service specialist center. We have been in business for over 20 years in this area, serving the Lawton-Fort Sill community. Our business has been impacted by the coronavirus. We did not thrive under the Obama administration. We did stay in business. We were just beginning to see light at the end of the tunnel through President Trump's administration, and then this hit. We are able to stay open at this time because we are an automotive repair service center and deemed essential to the community, which I'm very thankful for. However, our clientele, our customers, aren't so fortunate. They have been laid off, do not know when they will go back to work. That in turn has affected our business because vehicle repairs, services, and extras are put on the back burner, so to speak, when it comes down to paying a bill, a utility, groceries, those such things. So I need the American people to go back to work. My business does. My employees that I am trying to keep on payroll, I only have 5. I will say that. But I'm trying to keep all 5 of them employed through this time. And I just need the economy to pick back up again. We were doing well under Trump, and I am hopeful that that will continue. I do understand this is a crisis we are in, but I look at a bigger crisis if we were to do a full economic shutdown. Personally, my doors would close at the end of this month and I could not reopen. We do not have 6 months, 12 months of savings put back that could float us until it picked up again. So that is the scary picture for me as a small business owner, is I'm looking into next week, payday being Tuesday, not knowing how I'm going to pay my employees. So please, let us go back to work. Let us all go back to work and just be safe. Thank you.